Civic. I'm dipping in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I got a free gas Civic.
What's up, YouTube? We back. Chevy running. As you know, we still gotta worry about the temperature. That's at 203. I mean, it's good for testing purposes, but I still gotta figure that out. But like I said, I'm gonna get back to y'all. What I was looking at is just like how I'm gonna make some modifications here to these fans. There's a nipple down there at the bottom I'm gonna probably cut off, which can bring my fan over about a good 2 inches. That'll bring it to the end, and it'll be probably sitting flush with that. Drill some more holes so I can mount it with either zip ties. If I can get it inside of the radiator, like maybe have it kind of sitting up on top, I gotta make sure I bring it closer and more flush. That way the fans are doing exactly or working, they're being effective as possible. So that's definitely modification that's gonna have to be done there. So add it to the to-do list for the C10 and go from there.